Later, which kind of necessary stuff be that one now? Wanna make small money, I'm still gonna work hard and insult people anyhow.
Poor people and anger issue. 5 and 6.
Baby, they come on, they come on here. You know so what they go Ikorodu? Most of that they trek, so if you meet boss for front.
Right, me and my team will return Europe this weekend. Okay. Barcelona, Switzerland, Santorini. Then I run the up with Monaco. So, Monaco or Ikorodu.
The work is done.
Jesus! Jesus.
Oh, Jesus. Woman.
Jesus. Oh, that make it start this life, start up afresh.
Hello guys, it's OBIKIng Reacts and welcome back again to another episode of my comedy reaction. So thanks for always watching my videos. I really appreciate it. You know they're easy, so I thank you guys very much. But today I've got you guys a fantastic compilation, so make sure you watch it to the very end. Subscribe, tell me where you're watching from, and above all, share this video. You feel me? So don't play guys, let's go have some fun.
I go use my piano, yank you. Use my piano, shank you. Share you get many gets on that give me.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Who is this person?
Daddy, he's my boyfriend.
Your boyfriend?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Hey. Come. Is this boy not a small boy?
Daddy, he's a small boy, but he has money.
Hey. I like this one, eh? You know how you there now?
I did very fast, sir.
No vest, I won't disturb you, eh? What do you do for a living?
I did do a lot of things, but as I be sing, I be artist.
You're an artist?
Yes, sir.
That one is nice, eh? Oh yeah, now play one of the songs and make I hear.
If I get a lot of songs, so but when I play this particular one for you, go like this one.
I go like him, eh? You know how to sing, Abby?
Very well.
Very good. Oh yeah, now play.
I know the waste time, okay, make I just go straight. 1 round plus 1 round equals to 2.
Sorry, wait. There is no verse, eh? Help me carry the song back again. Take it back again.
You change it and I'm playing that.
Take it back from me again. No mind this girl.
You like her?
From starting.
I know the waste time, okay, make I just go straight. 1 round plus 1 round equals to 2 go straight.
Wait, no verse. 1 round plus 1 round equals to 2 bones straight. Very good, eh? Last 2 weeks, eh? You came back with 3 bones straight. Where did you say you got it from?
I told you now. I won them from dancing competition.
They funny you too now. You said they laugh. For your mind, I don't see Mumu, Abi.
Yes, sir.
You don't see Mumu?
Mr. 1 round plus 1 round, eh? I like this your song.
Thank you, sir.
A round of applause for you. See them now, idiots. Yeah? Before I close this my 2 eyes, I open it and count 3. Come off my compound. 1.
Are you serious?
2.
Who go see them at?
You know come out though.
What are you doing here?
Well, before I come out, I got collect all the bones straight to I buy for your daughter first.
Hey.
Okay, you want to collect your bone straight back?
Yes, sir. All the bones straight to I buy for your daughter. I got collect her back.
Sorry, which state are you from? Benin, I talk am now. I know now. When I won't break up, now come collect my party back. I know you now. Now you want to collect your bone straight. After I pick it up, I say pick your bone straight.
Jesus!
You're an idiot. Get out of this hospital.
If I not be so, I go come on that they call collect this.
You dey point me hand.
Nigga no dey fear.
Oh yeah, now bring it.
Daddy, bring what?
Bring it, bring it. Hey! Get inside. Hey! Go inside the house.
Hey!
Thank God. I don't get here. I will give my side chick for Christmas.
This man, you take us back for December. Please hide your girlfriend. Hide your girlfriend. You take us on the show.
Who is this pretty damsel? How can you be this hot, standing under this hot sun? Eh? That's a lot.
Thanks for the compliment.
By the way, my name is Notch, aka man of the moment. Eh? Don't tell me you are single.
I have a boyfriend. I'm not single.
Okay.
Besides, I'm broke. Oh, I don't have money like you to afford a car. That's why I'm standing under this hot sun.
You don't vex.
What's going on here?
You don't vex. You go do something.
Don't ever say that again. Okay. See, no girl is broke. It's either she wants to be broke or she's dating the wrong guy.
Oh.
Really?
Yes, now.
See your guy,
Is that a boyfriend?
How do you know he's my boyfriend?
Now poor people they cross road with things now. That's why car they jam them. Because he who is down has nothing to lose. You don't ever hear say car jam rich man. It's either car crash or plane crash.
Whoa. Babe, I don't understand. Who be this person?
Come out from the car, come out from the car. The car is allergic to poverty. You don't like when poor people are touching her. Please come out, come out.
You didn't make her? Which kind of necessary stuff be that one now? One that makes one for money, I'm still gonna work out and insult people anyhow.
Poor people and anger issue. 5 and 6.
Babe, I come on, they come on here. You know what they go Ikorodu? Most of that they trek, so if you meet boss for front.
Me and my team will tour Europe this weekend. Okay. Barcelona, Switzerland, Santorini. Then I run the up with Monaco. So Monaco or Ikorodu.
Monaco,
The work is done.
Oh. Yo.
He's off.
One man begin.
One man.
He's off. One man begin.
Keep bombing.
Keep bombing.
Oga, leave this boy. You know, get him blind.
Oh boy, get out from there. Get out from all these iTunes boys. They go.
Now young boys now they get power. They buy people for KB. Now boys when I go be, you they find. He don't be. You don't talk to me. Are you talking to me? Come. No be here you did 2 base pass us now.
I be just a make a job piece.
We dey find 1 base this morning. You allowed 2 base. Collect that uniform. You are not serious. Go home.
I did piece for you.
From out the uniform. You know what work? You know their house. You don't know house.
Yeah, hello.
Chairman, I want trade my gift card. No, she be not top gift card. Be the best. Yes, now trade with top gift card. That I know. One trading gift card company in Nigeria now. They are very fast and reliable, and they are rated. Apple Store. Yes, now you can also download it from Apple Store or Google Play Store, bro. Top gift card. If you first sign up, they'll give you 1,000 naira for me to see front. See police.
And these guys are going to search us. You not get us in 1B. What are we going to do?
You know what, guys? I think I have a plan. Don't worry. Let's go. I have a plan.
You sure?
Yes, I have.
Yeah, good afternoon. What's going on here?
I want to just broke. I'm rushing out to the hospital ASAP.
Okay, that's a pregnant woman.
Yes, sir.
Okay, madam, good afternoon.
Officer, don't say sorry.
Will you allow me to do my job? What's your problem? Madam, good afternoon. How you doing now?
Wait a minute.
This plan, sharp, join. No. Come on. How you think?
Okay.
Normally, for the kind of plan when you go.
Hello, now plan finish now. Corner. Let's just stop and say it, please. All of you come down.
Officer, you know you can't tell a fine girl to come down now.
Fine girl, come down. Come down.
No, phone please now.
Okay, me. They go. They do all this one.
Let me quickly tell you something for free.
Mass me today your back. Not today side. Not today side. Hey. Come down. What's today your back?
Oh, lo.
Okay. I go see, check your WhatsApp now. I go send your live location now. Where will they go now? 250 grand. Come join that normal 3 stick. Normal crusher now. Now don't cash me. I be go dealer. Who they go deliver this package to? Them?
Yes, not there.
Serious?
Yes.
Are you serious?
Yes.
I say, Harry, sister, I want to make you dance.
Now some robber will just come now, come steal the small things we get for this house.
Hey!
This girl talk say she no get money. This stingy roommate where I get, but she just cook and she get by.
You know, say all this while I just say that person that they work with. Not true, sha. Not true. Anybody with your condition not supposed to decide. So wait.
Hello. If you are reading this, I'm already dead.
Hey!
Hey!
Damn!
Hello. Hello. Wow. I was wondering, what is a beautiful girl like you? Why are you walking under the sun? I don't understand. Are we not both working under the sun?
Oh, it's true. I forget we are both working under the sun. God have mercy. So what do you do?
I just graduated, so I'm serving.
Oh, you just graduated yourself, so you don't have a job. Wow.
What do you do?
By the special grace of God, I'm a banker. I handle heavy transaction for a living.
I've actually wanted to always date a banker.
Oh, that's always wanted. Say no more. You have me now. Can I have your number?
Is this the phone you use?
Forget about the phone. Think about the transactions.
Jesus. Let's have it.
My bad boy.
It's alright.
Wow. You will hear from me this evening. I'll call you. Barnabas, son of grace.
You, they go now, they go.
Hello? Please, I'm coming. Let me quickly withdraw cash. Yes.
Continue. Come on, baby, let's have it.
Well, Barnabas.
Wow. What a beauty. Welcome to my office.
So you lied to me?
Jesus. Me? Lie to you?
I wonder. What are you doing here?
This is banking work now. Transaction is going on.
Men are liars.
What in believe?
All men are scum. It's a fair one.
Hello.
Blood of Jesus.
You never lied.
Son of grace.
Son of
I bet my people. POS work now waiting.
Go and ask your grandfather.
Bank,
now
what is your
transaction
problem?
now? Money transaction.
And your hair is beautiful.
Oh, thank you.
This is worry you. Short person tell you until your hair is beautiful, you say thank you. You don't even check where I reach. Lock your zip. Check your zip.
Hey, Jesus.
Madam.
Please. Madam, that's in there. Hot
Babe, look at this wedding dress. It's so fine. This is what I want to wear on our wedding.
What will be that?
The dress now.
Wedding dress.
Yeah, for wedding.
Hey! You're forgetting.
You're forgetting how sad chick you be, Abby.
Hey guys, this is my baby. Baby, say hi.
Oh, sorry.
Delete that video. You know my wife, right? You know her age. And you want to spoil my marriage. Like I don't get brain damage. Delete that video.
Oh, sorry.
Where are you going to? You don't know my wife is around.
I'm going inside now. Which wife?
Which one be which wife? My wife is in the house.
I don't understand. You brought another woman to the house.
What's up? Don't forget your role. Now say chick, you not put me for trouble. Now say chick you be you. You go to your mama's house. Don't put me for wahala.
No vex. No vex.
Oh Jesus.
I don't come finish. My wife did already come. Got to go.
There's still time now.
Like you want to lose your income.
Hey guys, so this is the car I bought with my sweat. If it's short for you and easy, go on your own. Go do it.
What you talk? What you talk?
I said this is the car I bought with all my sweat.
You don't need to do. This is the car you bought with all your sweat. I know the wet. The guy know the wet now. If you like it, go post that video for social media with my wife see him.
You're the one that texted me first, too. You're the one that texted me first.
And because I want to test you now. I want to test you first. You like, go post that video for social media. After today, go carry that car and buy for Amaka. My wife don't find out. Not the woman. People know me for this area. She's good as that. People know me for this area. Oh, my wife don't cash me.
Oh, sorry.
Samu kuɗinka kawai ka kashe, kar ka bari su kashe maka sanda kake ba ci ba su ci maka, kai da kuɗinka kana haka, abu ma sai an saya maka, in ka kashe kutuma bura uba, yau akwai bura uba bambala.
This exam will end in the next 4 minutes. 4 minutes. 4 minutes. Young man. Now me teach you all this nonsense with the right so.
Yes, sir.
Now me teach you say money is the root of
all evil.
Jesus.
For physics.
All evil.
Money is the root of all evil inside physics.
Okay,
time up.
Now should you clean this time? You know rough.
Time up. 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 Ogbanje, time up.
So we don't write everything when the guy write.
What is your name?
Money is the root of all evil.
What is your name?
Manu.
Why is Chukwemeka John on this paper? Oh, okay. Mr. Chukwemeka, this is your hard work. Clean your sweat.
What be this?
Jesus.
You copy person's name, Joy.
Babe. You've been working for so long, eh? My hardworking man.
I can always drive cars, I don't know work, baby girl. That's why I'm working.
Oh my god, this wig is so fine. What the heck? Babe, see this wig is so fine, right?
Okay. Some sort of.
Nah, babe, it's fine. This wig is fine. I need to fit me, to fit my skin tone, and everything will just come out. It's just pop.
Oh, that's fine.
I'm imagining wearing it without my wine dress. You know that wine dress I bought last week now? It will go so hard, babe.
You, they go now, they go.
I love the bounce. I love everything about it.
Now.
I love everything about it.
What do you want me to talk now?
I wish someone can just help me buy it now. I wish I can get this week for myself. I'll be so happy.
Someone? What do you mean by someone?
If someone can buy it for me, I'll be so happy, babe. It's so fine. See,
Do you have more than one person buying you wig in this relationship?
I wonder.
The fact that you say someone is confusing me. Like, what do you mean by someone to buy you wig? You know, why don't you just show me out? Let me, okay, if I can buy it for you. You're saying someone. Are you sending wigs to for that people to buy for me?
No, babe. No, I don't want to stress you. That's why I was just.
Okay, we don't stress. Who are you stressing? Are you stressing around that man?
Babe, you don't have to.
Bring your stress to me.
Babe, you don't have to.
I don't have to. I want to.
Okay, if you insist.
And his name is John C.
Guys, I'll send it tomorrow, okay? Tomorrow morning, I'll just send it to you.
Okay, it's fine.
You fall inside the trap.
Now.
Fall inside the trap.
Let's go inside.
I should come inside with you.
Yes, let's go and walk on it.
Oh my god, baby girl. Oh, I love to walk with you.
Babe.
Oh my god. Oh, let me show this foolish laptop here.
Not really, Momo. But this chase, Momo. You suppose not send a trap she is set. You suppose not send a trap she is set, and you still fell inside that same trap. How you wish someone would buy that wig for you? How you wish someone would? If now me, I will tell you, say, who be that person? Go meet her and I may buy him for you. You understand? It's just that simple. Anyways, a comedy, and we are meant to laugh. So my people, thanks for watching to the very end. I believe you enjoyed this all. You can tell me your favorite part of the video and write it right in the comment section. Share this video, you understand, and check out my other videos. Like I always tell you, there's so many of these videos on my channel. Check them out. Trust me, you will not regret it. See you in the next one, guys. Peace and love.